Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with the Dog.
こんにちは。今日はいろんな種類のおにぎりを作ります。
Okay, let's have her prepare the ingredients for onigiri. Cook rice firmly with a rice cooker in advance. Spread the rice on a plate and cool it down. Let's make salt water first. Add salt in water and microwave it for 30 seconds. Stir it with a spoon and dissolve it well. Let's cut the ingredients. Cut the long green onion into 4 pieces. Chop them into fine pieces. Cut off the stem part of pickled Hiroshima and chop it into fine pieces. Let's cut toasted nori. Get a short strip, 2 pieces of triangles, and a long strip. Let's prepare the short rib beforehand. Add soy sauce, sugar, and grated garlic to sliced short rib. Rub the condiments into the meat. Let's make ume okaka. Remove the stone of the umeboshi. Add okaka, which is bonito flakes moistened with soy sauce, and mix it well. Let's make tuna mayonnaise. Add mayonnaise and wasabi to canned tuna. Mix it well. Let's make negi miso paste. Add the chopped long green onion and sake to miso. Mix it well and make it a smooth paste. Okay, let's cook the short rib. Fry the sliced short rib until it gets fragrant flavor. Next, place a lightly salted salmon in a saucepan and put a lid on. Fry it until the surface becomes golden brown and turn it over. Press the salmon with a spatula and brown the other side. When it is cool enough to handle, crumble the salmon into small pieces. Be careful not to leave bones in. Now, let's make a salmon onigiri. Wet your hands with salt water. Place the rice on your hands and make an indentation. Put the crumbled salmon on the indentation. Have the salmon rolled inside. Make a V shape with your right hand. Rotate the rice and shape it into a triangle. Wrap the onigiri with a triangle toasted nori. The close side of nori should be outside. Make a dent on top of the onigiri and add salmon there. Repeat the same procedure to make a short rib onigiri. Have the short rib rolled inside and shape the rice into a triangle. Wrap the onigiri with the toasted nori. Make a dent on the top and add the short rib again. Let's make a Hiroshima onigiri. Add the stem of Hiroshima, dried baby sardines, and sesame seeds. Mix it well. Wet your hands with salt water and shape the rice into a cylindrical shape. Spread the Hiroshima leaf and wrap the onigiri with it. Let's make a ume okaka onigiri. Put a handful of rice in a bowl and add ume okaka. Wet your hands with salt water and form the rice into a cylindrical shape. Wrap the onigiri with a short strip of nori. Let's make a tuna mayonnaise onigiri. Place the rice on your hands and have the tuna mayo rolled inside. Form the rice ball into a flat round shape. Wrap the onigiri with a long strip of nori. Make a dent in the center and add extra tuna mayo on it. Next, let's make a negi miso onigiri. Wet your hands with salt water and firmly form the rice into a triangle. Put negi miso paste on both sides of the onigiri. Here is a soy sauce onigiri. Wet your hands with the soy sauce and firmly form the rice into a flat round shape. Let's fry the negi miso onigiri and soy sauce onigiri. Grease a saucepan with sesame oil. Place the onigiri in the saucepan. Turn over the negi miso onigiri and soy sauce onigiri. Put soy sauce on the surface and turn it over. Put soy sauce on the other side and turn it over again. That is it for cooking. Finally, garnish the onigiri with a shiso leaf, parsley, kinome, and white sesame seeds. Umeokaka, tuna mayo, Hiroshima-na, short rib, negi miso, soy sauce, and salmon.
鮭美味しい。
It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck in the kitchen.